What's up, boss dons? It's Curtis Dondino, and today we're going to be discussing Dior's Resort 2023 collection. And we are so excited to discuss this because they had some. When I tell you, my favorite thing to do is to get a reaction from clothing. That kind of sounds weird when I say it like that, but my point is that if art is not about anything, art should be about reactions. Some people want negative ones, but sometimes they do it for love. Whatever the case is, so we're gonna pull up a screen recording. We're gonna put that bad boy here. I'm gonna be reviewing it here, and y'all gonna be liking, commenting, and subscribing there. I'm trying to add in more stuff about subscribing and all of that because I want y'all to I really want to build this community. I want to be able to discuss more stuff and not feel like I'm kind of talking to myself or the 2 or 3 people that comment, even though I love y'all, because realistically that's really what it's all about. But so we about to get up into this Dior. Now, from my knowledge, this was like Dior times ERL, and I'm not 100% sure. Maybe somebody might want to fact check me on that. But first off, I just want to talk about the styling. I felt like I was watching something that was like anime, but like from what I know of anime, they have more like fitted clothes. So the relaxed clothing is so dope. It's like 2 styles at once. So first off, the first look, we got like this silky satiny suit. I'm not Luke Mars, so I can't tell you what fabrics they are because I didn't go to school for fashion. I just like to look at it and talk about it. But so yeah, I'm doing a video on the skate shoes, and we got some stuff to talk about with skate shoes. We love the skate shoes, but we got some stuff to discuss. So first off the back, I'm gonna talk about these shorts right here in look number 2. Yo, when I tell you these shorts are fire, they're fire. The Dior sock, not too crazy about the California couture knit. I mean, I feel like we could have did anything with that. I'm about to dim it some, so if I look a little dim, just let me know. But I just like it a little deeper in here. Let me see, maybe I can bring it. Oh, that's too bright. The fur cap is tough. Okay, we got another suit. And so sometimes with suiting, I wonder like who is the aim target, because like I feel like the men that actually like wear suits and can afford like suits that are that expensive, or assuming that these would be expensive suits because they're on the runway, it's like, do they want this fit? You know what I'm saying? So I always wonder, like, even with like Louis Vuitton by Virgil, I always wonder like who is the demographic, like maybe like when celebrities go to the award shows and stuff. But the skate shoe, y'all, the skate shoe is just okay, not too crazy about this, but you always gotta have stuff to sell. These shorts right here, bro, look at these shorts. Okay, a hoodie is nice. I like the sequin. They look like sequins, the sequin detail, or it might be some type of like metallic knit, I'm not sure. But these shorts, if Chanel made these shorts, I probably would do a backflip right here for y'all. I've never did a backflip except for one time, but that's a crazy story. The story time is actually on my channel. It's about the time Beyonce waved to me, but that's another story. I'm gonna edit that out, actually. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay, so second, I just want to say these pants with the bucket, with the sweater vest. Whoo. Like if I seen this guy walking down the street, I would have to, like literally have to be like, I would be so jealous. Or I would just ask him like, bro, can I take a picture of your outfit? Now this suit right here is crazy. Like the fit, like look at those darts right there, just tailoring it in. But at the same time, it was a loose flare. I love this. This is probably one of the most interesting things I've seen in suiting in a while. Beyond like something that Tom Brown would do that's crazy, but just like something that's so simple and so clean. The next, also gotta talk about his hair. The hair, like the hair choices really made this show super interesting. Okay, so next we have, some Balenciaga jeans and Dior sweater. Not seriously, but y'all get what I'm saying. This colorway is tough, but it didn't really do much for me. We get into the good stuff though. If they ever let us switch. These fucking gloves, bro. Don't skip. Oh, I knew it was gonna do it. This right here, this is what, if I was in a movie where I played a high schooler, this is what I would want to wear on the first day. First of all, we ain't even talking about the bags yet, because the bags aren't really being shown. like on forefront display. First of all, I just want to say the shorts, the styling of the sweater, like everything is perfect, no lie. Oh yeah, so this gotta be ERL collab because that's usually how their hoodies look. I do like this one better, but I think the focal point here would probably be the mini saddlebag, the fur one that's like a belt bag. I would love to own something like that. Could I afford it? Probably not, because I know they taxing. Now this one right here is so tough. I wouldn't want to purchase this one because I know I wouldn't be able to get as many wears out of it. But if this one could go around like if it's like the Chanel bag that like you can kind of draw in, if you could wear that like around your waist or across, man, that is crazy. This top being a Dior ERL top, this is like Y2K having, like, look at this. Do you see this like ombre knit? Yo, that's crazy. With the bag that blends in perfectly. Crazy. With the skate shoes, the orange hair. Like, one thing I really have to experiment more this year is probably like hairstyles, because I feel like I always keep the same look because it keeps me looking like, you know, decent. It's like the best like fit for me. But I think this year I want to be in my ugly era of like, did I make a mistake? Yes. Like, a lot of things I do, I feel like I'll like them, but it might not work best for me. So I want to, you know, get into some mistakes. Bro, let me just get back over here. Bro. It's around the neck. The shorts. The shoes, the socks, yo. Like, look at this. What am I looking at, bro? Like, look, like y'all can't even see his head, bro. Like like look how the suit fits at the top, but then it flares out. So this is perfect for people who like don't want to look like they drowning in something. Cause realistically, you won't get too many wears out of stuff like that. Even the graphic shirts with the denim, like whoever did the styling on this, give them a raise. Give that boy a raise. The hair, who came up with that? Yo, look at the blazer. Look at the blazer. Yo, Christian Dior would be proud of this blazer right here. With, the shoes, the shorts. Like, I don't even think I want to design anymore, because a lot of these designs put my shit to shame. The fucking Lady Dior, like that print, that quilting on the pants, crazy. The fucking, I hate V anything. This right here, I gotta get in the gym, because if I'm able to get this type of, I can't even talk about that. Look at this, yo, look at this. First of all, the bag back around the neck, the blue shoes, like, it just like, and by the way, those sweaters look so cozy. You know what I'm saying? Like, who wouldn't love a sweater like that? Then Dior bringing back the John Galliano type of print with the newspaper, but it looks so different. It's almost fresh. Like, pink puffer, brown, like the styling alone, the pink bag, the sunglasses, like, and it only gets better. Like, cause is this one look? I don't know if it's next, cause nothing wants to skip, you know, or go into time. This right here, I wish this wasn't the picture, because this isn't like, it's a one where it looks more lax, bro. These pants, those shoes, these pants right here, they look like a velvet denim with the green mohawk, with the, yo, what am I doing wrong? I need some more money. And if anyone out there just like wants to support random people that they don't know, Cash at me, Zelle me, Apple Pay me, DM me on Instagram and get, yo, this sweater, no, the shorts. Like, and whoever thought to put these colors together, brown, black, and white, like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I am really lost for words. Like the hat with the ears, the glitter socks. Like, we back at one. Bro, all I want to say is, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Dior collection like I did. Please tell me what your favorite look was from the collection. Hopefully it was one of the things I like. One of my favorite things beyond the mini saddle bags, because it's the belt and the shoulder bag, would probably have to be the shorts. I don't know, bro. A lot of this stuff I wish I could just get right now. Like, I wish I could just get it. I don't know how that works, but I wish I could have it. I probably need to release a YouTube video every second of the day so that way I can make enough money to buy a couple things. So if you feel bad for me, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Yeah, Don Dino 2023. Yeah, back-to-back videos. Check me out, check me out, check me out. All right, enough of the clown shit. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.